Meet the Ulstein Marine Electronics TDT 30014 PCB Card designed to elevate your marine electronics performance. Experience optimized functionality and smooth, reliable operations. Elevate your marine electronics with the Ulstein Marine Electronics TDT 30014 PCB Card. Designed for compatibility and efficiency, the TDT 30014 optimizes functionality, making it an essential upgrade for any marine setup. Experience the difference in performance and reliability today. The Ulstein Marine Electronics TDT 30014 PCB Card, a high-quality solution for marine electronics. This printed circuit board is engineered to optimize functionality, ensuring your marine equipment operates smoothly and reliably. The Ulstein Marine Electronics TDT 30014 PCB Card is engineered for excellence in marine electronics. This high-quality printed circuit board optimizes the functionality of marine equipment, ensuring smooth and reliable operations. The TDT 30014 PCB Card is designed to significantly enhance the performance of marine electronics. By integrating this advanced card, users achieve more efficient and reliable operations, crucial for maintaining safety and effectiveness at sea. With TDT 30014, marine equipment operates smoother, ensuring optimal performance in demanding environments. The TDT 30014 PCB Card is engineered to elevate the performance of marine electronics. By incorporating this card, users experience enhanced efficiency and reliability vital for safe and effective marine operations. Trust in TDT 30014 to elevate your marine safety and operational efficiency. This design allows for straightforward integration and system upgrades, minimizing the need for extensive modifications. Enhance your marine systems effortlessly, ensuring a smooth transition and improved functionality. Thank you for trusting the TDT 30014 for a hassle-free enhancement of your marine systems.